Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. I have a little bit of a different video today because usually I talk about different shoes on my channel and I tend not to repeat. So we're going to see a repeat in a different style of something very familiar to you guys. And then I am going to show you a pair of Casadei blades that I have finally managed to acquire after months and months and months of looking into them, waiting for a sale, or I should say waiting for a sale item that I would personally like, because Casadei, it's so easy to find them on sale. It's just a matter of finding something that's your personal preference. So if Casadei is something that you're interested in, don't pay $700 unless you're looking for a very specific shoe, like just the black leather with the metal blade heel. But I'm sure that you guys don't want to just sit here and listen to me yap about how to find things on sale, but I'm going to tell you how I found both of these items on sale. Almost a 2-for-1 sort of deal for me, which for me is great considering that these are iconic shoes from these brands, which are very difficult to find on sale in outlets. In fact, Casadei, I know you have to order online, and finding So Kates in outlets, it's just a matter of being very lucky and finding it in your size and a color that's your preference. I think I've seen nude colored So Kates in an outlet once, but they were in a size 9, which is way too big for me because I'm a true to size 6. And I was so excited because recently I went to Rodeo Drive with my husband because I live in Los Angeles, so that's not too far of a stretch away from where I live. Not too far out of the way for me. And what's nice about this sale is that they also gave me 2 dust bags. If you guys know me, in my earlier videos I talked about how I'm a dust bag nut. I like to store my shoes in each dust bag because I try to treat my shoes as good as I possibly can because I want them to live forever and I treasure them. And these I was actually willing to pay full price for. I was always constantly checking the website for them because I just fell in love with them when I saw them as soon as they came available because I kind of stalk Christian Louboutin's website like the shoe nut that I am. And here's the first shoe. This is actually in an interesting material. I know So Kates come in a million different fabrics and materials. They don't just come in the black patent. But these actually come in a canvas. Think like a canvas like you paint on. And I think that was literally the inspiration for these shoes because you can clearly see the red and white paint splatter. And I'm not a giant colors person, but clearly I like red and I like white. And these, like other limited edition Louboutins, don't have the usual nude lining like, say, a normal So Kate does. These have a stark white lining in them. And that I kind of appreciate rather than just the nude. It's just something different, something unique, something that gives the shoe a little bit more character than the original So Kate. So I'm going to go ahead and pop out the other one just so that way you guys can get a peek at both of them. My only little itty bitty spiel about these that I don't care for is that I wish there was more paint splatter on the right toe box, but other than that, I ain't complaining because I walked into a Louboutin, the Louboutin on Rodeo Drive as a matter of fact, and I was just like, you got any So Kates on sale? Because yes, I'm that person that will be on Rodeo Drive looking for a sale. And they said, yes we do. We happen to have these in stock at a different location in a size 36, and I said, sold. So I had to wait a little bit for them to arrive, but here they are. And I'm so excited because so many of you guys have wanted to see me do a first use, first impressions video of So Kates, but I could never go out walking around in these because they always fly off my feet because they're too big. But now I have a pair of So Kates that fit. So this should make you guys very, very happy because it makes me very, very happy that I get to go running around in them. And just for completionist's sake, to do a total unboxing, you gotta take the little packing out of the toe box. So you can get a gander at the actual shoe, how it's supposed to totally look in all of its red-bottomed glory. So, super, super happy. An $800 shoe. I paid $500 after tax. This made me a very happy girl. Now, I'm going to put those up, and we're going to move on. And I need to get the box out of the way too, so please be patient with me. I'm an excited girl, but I don't want to just throw all of my expensive stuff around everywhere. So this box is from Casadei, and obviously I am a heel nut. Some people have said that I have a tendency to go for naughtier style heels, which is definitely true. I mean, hello. So I am a little bit disappointed that I only get one dust bag. They give you like a whole brochure with Casadei. Like, they really go in with the packaging and giving you receipts, and they give you heel taps, which is always the marking of a good shoemaker. And I didn't get a classic black. The kind that I got was during their biannual sale. They'll do one during spring and summer, and they'll do one during fall and winter. This happened to be fall and winter. And I got my blades in a style called Blade LaCroc, which means it is a croc embossed leather, and the color is in Gravity Gray. I'm just taking out the paper from the toe box just to show you. As you can tell, it is definitely gray. It is not black. I do not mind. I wear neutrals all the time, so I just went with it. If they would have made black, I would have went for black, but they didn't. It was close enough. I was happy. Half off, I'm a happy girl. I'm hoping one day I can actually get the just all black, straight up, regular leather blades, but that's going to have to wait until I actually want to break down and spend the money. But I'm very excited about these because I have actually heard that these are more comfortable than So Kate's. And I know that some people feel differently or have different opinions about the actual blade heel. I personally love it because I love the idea of actually wearing a shank on your foot. It has a more forgiving toe box than the So Kate, so it's probably going to be easier to break in than a So Kate. And I mean, I believe I probably am going to experience numbness, the works, and all that good stuff while trying to break these in, but we're just going to go with it. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the other shoe, just for being a completionist, and I don't want to show you guys only one shoe. Take the paper out of that one and go ahead and check that sucker out. I'm very excited about these because these are such a unique looking shoe. I mean, there's nothing else out there like this that I've seen, that I've heard of. My next mission might be to get a pair of Manolo Blahnik Hungizis, but in the heel height I want, that's gonna be quite an investment. But I think these look super, super cool. I am very excited to try these on for you guys. I have been just itching to try them on for you guys since I've got them, and now I actually have the opportunity to do so. And just to make this video a little bit extra more special, I'm going to actually wear tights when I do a try on wearing shoes for you, because I know a lot of you guys happen to watch me for my tights. So just to give you an extra friendly Happy New Year, I am going to wear them for you during this try on. I typically try not to mix my tights and my shoes videos, but for this occasion I feel that it might actually be worthy because I've never done a double unboxing before. So thank you guys for making this channel successful enough for me to even be able to afford to do this. I mean, 2 iconic designer shoes in one hit is just so exciting and so special to me. And the fact that I was able to get at least one pair that I was willing to pay full price for at that, literally right at the last minute. I'm so grateful for everything that you guys have done for me in the last year, and I hope this year can be an even better and more fun, more exciting year with more tights and more shoes and just more. And I'll go ahead and try them on for you guys because I'm sure you're just itching to see me try them on. So thank you guys for watching, and I will let you check them out.